What if I told you that my YouTube channel is currently booking $250,000 worth of consulting calls while I'm literally sleeping? And the craziest part, it happened completely by accident. I'm Jeff, and 3 months ago I was manually editing every single video, burning out on content creation, and frankly questioning if YouTube was even worth it. Today, I have a self-learning AI system that's generating 5 videos daily, extracting insights from every consultation call and turning those insights back into viral content that books more calls. This isn't some theoretical framework. This is the exact system running behind the scenes right now. Here's what most content creators don't understand about the YouTube game in 2025. Everyone's obsessed with viral hooks and trending topics, but they're missing the real gold mine sitting right in their calendar. Every consultation call you take contains the exact questions your audience is asking, the specific language they use, and the precise objections they have. But instead of capturing this intelligence, most creators are guessing what content to make. They're using surveys and hoping for the best while sitting on live conversations that prove what their market actually needs. The traditional content creation model is broken. Create content. Hope it goes viral. Maybe get some leads, manually follow up, repeat. It's exhausting, inefficient, and frankly, it doesn't scale. Meanwhile, AI is advancing so fast that the creators building intelligent systems now will dominate, while others are still manually editing. Here's what I discovered. Your consultation calls aren't just sales conversations. They're your content research, your market intelligence, and your unfair competitive advantage all rolled into one. Every question a prospect asks is content you should be making. Every objection they have is a video that needs to exist. Every success story is proof content waiting to be shared. The breakthrough came when I realized I could create a feedback loop where my content creates calls. Those calls create insights, and those insights create better content. It's like having a business that learns and optimizes itself.
Typically, what a human would do is have a sales call, get feedback from that call, and then, the human learns and memorizes what's happening in the sales process. Then their pitch gets more dialed in from each subsequent call. They maybe make better content, better sales assets, and their presentation gets better, and then their presentation gets better for another sales call, right? So with an AI, then AI is getting the call transcriptions. The AI is analyzing the transcription and the conversation. Then it's ingesting those insights into a knowledge base, and it's learning in its knowledge base. And then that knowledge base is then generating content and scripts and long form and short form. And then that knowledge base is also informing subsequent product development, lead magnets, and enhancing the offer. And then that knowledge base is also informing AI sales agents, so autonomous sales agents that are running calls for you. And then, and so that content, obviously that content generates the interest, and then the AI sales agent books the call, and you get on another call and you have another transcription. And so this process continues to learn and learn over time.
McKinsey's 2025 report calls this conversational business intelligence, and Forrester predicts that by 2027, 73% of service businesses will compete primarily on intelligence extraction rather than service delivery. But here's the kicker. Most entrepreneurs will never build this because they think it's too complex. They'll keep guessing what content to make, while the few who systematize this intelligence will capture their entire market.
One of the reasons I think this is game changer, and especially for people in the AI space, is that the AI space is evolving very rapidly, and the market and economics are evolving very rapidly. And so learning from your customer base in real time, what does your customer in 2025, quarter 3 of 2025 really want? What's your customer in quarter 4 of 2026 going to want? AI can help you make these projections and then inform business decisions, inform product development, so that you don't get wiped out by So like, if blue collar, white collar doesn't get completely wiped out by AI, you can change your business model. That's why I think this is an important system for learning from your market and then making content for the market that's very precise, that's very dialed in, that's very lasered in. So you're not guessing at content angles or content hooks anymore. And you're feeding your customers exactly what they need, finding out what they want, and then giving it to them. That's just marketing 101. And so the system I wanted to showcase was one component of this process. And this component is the AI content generation workflow, which is built with DeepSeek, OpenAI, N8N, HeyGen, Google Drive, and Supabase. And so I'll show you some of those nodes. Here we have our Supabase vector stores. Then we have OpenAI here. I have DeepSeek here, which is helping me write the content. And then we have our HeyGen requests, Google Drive, and this will generate as many videos as you can afford with your AI avatar. This will generate AI avatar long form videos. So I'm really excited about this. This actually generated the exact AI avatar video that you're watching right now. And then I kind of intersperse within that outline, that AI avatar outline, different kinds of content. So this is what I wanted to kind of demo and kind of walk through how this works. But basically what's happening is an AI agent is querying the knowledge base for content ideas and then sending those ideas off to another agent that's filtering those ideas for like relevance. It's basically looking through these ideas that the AI is generating and picking the best ones and filtering them, and then writing scripts for the best ones based on specifications that I'll give it. So based on what I want to accomplish in my content, the builds, the automations I want to run, my general messaging, my general mission is all prompted and engineered into these agents. And then the scripts are generated with, good copywriting and persuasive frameworks, even with research that I might add into here, to just add that authority and maybe SEO to the scripts themselves.
Here's how you can build your own content to sales loop. First, start recording every client interaction. Consultation calls, discovery sessions, even casual conversations about your expertise. Use tools like TLDV or even basic Zoom recordings. Second, feed those transcripts into AI for pattern extraction. Look for recurring questions, common objections, specific language your market uses, and transformation stories that work. These become your content goldmine. Third, turn those patterns into your content calendar. Every question becomes a video topic. Every objection becomes educational content. Every success story becomes social proof. The content practically writes itself because it's based on real conversations. Fourth, create feedback mechanisms. Track which content generates the most qualified leads, which topics your audience engages with most, and which messaging converts best. Feed this data back into your system. The beauty is that this approach works for any expert or consultant. Whether you're in finance, health, marketing, or any specialized field, your prospects are telling you exactly what content they need. You just need to systematically capture and leverage that intelligence. So here's my challenge for you. Record your next 3 client conversations and extract just 3 key themes. Turn those themes into your next week's content and measure the engagement compared to your usual content. I guarantee you'll see the difference. If you want to see the exact system I use, the AI workflows, the automation setup, the intelligence extraction process, I'm documenting everything in my new case study. The link is in the description, and it includes the actual tools, prompts, and frameworks I use daily. But here's the thing. While you're watching this video, your competitors are having conversations with prospects too. The question is whether you'll systematically extract that intelligence or let it disappear forever. The companies dominating 2027 are building these systems in 2025. What patterns are hiding in your conversations? Drop a comment and let me know what insights you've been sitting on. Hit subscribe if you want to see more behind the scenes breakdowns of AI orchestration systems that actually generate revenue.